Hi everyone, I'm happy to share that we are releasing TMVGate version 2.3, which adds the parent-child hierarchy feature. This gives companies with more complex hierarchical structures an easier time when they want to transfer the hierarchies over to their BI tools like Power BI. Alright, so this is the new interface. Under Create Get Hierarchy URL, you can see that we now have a new parent-child option. So we'll be using that today. And then for the format, I'll choose PSV. Since we're using Power BI, I'll click on Generate Get Hierarchy URL and click on Copy. So we go to Power BI. As you can see, I've already got my data loaded, so I'll just be showing you how to use the new feature today. So I'll go to Get Data, click on Web, paste the link inside, and click OK. Alright, then I'll click on Load, wait for a while, go to the Data tab. Alright, then I'll click on the new data that we just brought in. I'll rename it to Hierarchy. Okay, so after importing the data into Power BI, our output will look something like this, with the ParentID, parent alias, ChildID, child alias, and child name. So for our current users, you can see that using this function, we're not flattening our hierarchies into a tabular format, but rather we're extracting the parent-child hierarchy directly. The flattened hierarchy is the easier method for simple hierarchies, but for complex hierarchies, you'll want to use the parent-child option instead. However, using this option, you'll have to add a few columns to manipulate the data before it's usable by your end users. So first, I'll click on New Columns at the top right of the screen. And then I'll input a few DAX statements. You can find them in the video description below. The first is the path statement. So this function is used in tables and that have some kind of internal hierarchy to return the items that are related to the current row value. In this example, our region table contains world, continents, and countries, and using the path statement, I can return the path that connects a country to the world. So the next DAX statement is the path length statement. So this statement allows us to count the number of items that are parents to the specified item in a given path result, including the specified item. Alright, and then the third statement, I'll also add new column, then I'll go and look, is the lookup value, which is essentially a VLOOKUP function that allows us to look up the child alias for the particular path length and helps us to identify the child alias that corresponds to the path ID. So for example, the first one would be world, and the number of levels we add depends on the highest path length number. So if we have a path length of 4, we'll add 4 levels. Okay, so I'll just copy and paste, and this is my second level. Copy and paste again, change level 1 to 3. Change the 1 to 3 at the back. And my final level. Oops. Gotta close that and then change it to 4. Okay, and we're good. So now I'll check if the relationships are linked. So I'll go to Manage Relationships. Okay, they're not linked, so I'll just manually link them. Great, so now we're ready to start visualizing. So let's go back to the dashboard. And now I will create my hierarchy. So I'll use level 1 since that's world. And I'll just slot the subsequent levels under it. Okay, then I'll use the hierarchy slicer tool and highlight level 1 hierarchy, and then I'll just drill down. So we've got world. Oh look, we've got blank. So not to worry, I'm gonna choose format, and under selection, and I'll click empty leaves off. There we go. Now I'll just choose Mexico. There we go, quick and simple demo. For more information, please refer to the video description below. Thank you for watching this video. For more information or for a free TMVGate trial, visit our website or email us at info@itlink.com.sg. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and we'll be having more regular content updates. Thank you.